Hello friends, welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video, I am going to show you an interesting and very easy recipe of making clay at home, that too without cooking and without baking. I have myself tried this recipe to confirm on the durability of this clay. The ingredients used are also very easily and readily available in our house. I will share the proportions of the ingredients. However, you can use smaller quantities and try for yourself if you are trying it for the first time, and then maybe you can increase the quantities to make more and more clay and make more and more clay crafts. So here are the ingredients list and also the quantities of the ingredients that we are going to use. Now let's start mixing the ingredients and prepare the clay. First, in a mixing bowl, we are adding corn flour, and then to it we will add the glue. Now to it we will add the vinegar, which will help in preserving the clay for a longer time. Then we will add the required amount of oil. You can use any baby oil or any vegetable oil also. Finally, we will add the moisturizer or lotion and then mix all the ingredients nicely and knead it very nicely. Initially, when you start kneading, the mixture would be very sticky and would stick to your hands, but you have to keep on kneading it so that it becomes very smooth and silky dough. As you keep on kneading, the dough will become non-sticky and will stop sticking to your hands. Once the dough becomes non-sticky, you can transfer it to a plate and then knead it nicely. You can also add a little bit of moisturizer or oil to keep it non-sticky. Once the dough becomes very stretchy, it is ready to use. You can see that as and when I am kneading, I am trying and checking whether the dough has become stretchy or not. Try pulling the dough and see whether it has become stretchy. Here your clay is ready, and now you can keep it in an airtight bag. Apply a little bit of oil or moisturizer on the clay and keep it in an airtight bag. You can use this clay for maybe 4-5 days also. Now I'll make quickly a craft using the same clay that I have shown you in this video. Since we are not using any chemical compounds or any hardeners in this clay and we have used only flour, so it will take more time for this clay to dry. It will minimum take 24 hours to dry, and after that you can use the clay for coloring. As this clay does not have any chemicals, it is also very safe for children. You can give this clay to children to make any clay crafts they want. Hope you have enjoyed this video and liked the content. Please do give a thumbs up if you have liked it, and also write your feedback or any suggestions in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this channel with your family and friends so that they also get to know some interesting DIYs which I have shared on my channel. So guys, stay safe, stay healthy. See you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.